Performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in high velocity. With LED reflector headlamps, trailer sway damping, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Xtreme Recon 35-inch tire package, heavy-duty rock slider with stop assist by Mopar, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Google Android Auto, Rock Track heavy-duty part-time four-wheel drive system, removable rear quarter windows, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D6851.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.